What I've got here is essentially a compass, but as you can see, it's not a conventional compass. Instead of showing north visually from a needle, this belt gives haptic input or vibrations on the side of your body which points to magnetic north. So it works like this. The elastic belt is attached around your torso, and along it are 8 eccentric mass motors which vibrate when you excite them with a voltage. We've also got some LEDs to showcase what's going on because it's quite difficult to film vibrations, essentially. The LEDs and motors are connected to this microcontroller. In this case we're using an Arduino Uno, and the microcontroller decides which of the motors to vibrate based on the input from this magnometer. So the magnometer provides a magnetic reading, and using a bit of trigonometry and combining it with measurements from an accelerometer which gives us the direction of gravity, we can calculate the magnetic north, essentially. So we built this out of interest for how augmented reality can be extended beyond the visual, which is what we typically think of when we think about augmented reality. Because in a way this gives the person who wears the belt a new sense, and the effects are quite surprising. I took the belt when I went for a walk, and the body picks up on the input signals rather quickly actually. It's like your own sense of direction improves drastically because you've now got ground truth to calibrate it against. But I think what's really exciting about this is that we can input any signal really. It does not have to be magnetic north. So in the context of fighter jets, for example, it could be used to very effectively provide an awareness of where an enemy plane is positioned, or any other entity for that matter. All the while not using up valuable visual cognitive load. This is a very rough prototype, of course, and where this technology gets really exciting is where you imagine more advanced actuators and control systems. So you could think of a t-shirt, for example, which could provide haptic input over the whole body and do it in certain patterns depending on certain situations and so on. And the reason why this could work really well is because humans are very quick at picking up new sensory input. So with time you would be able to sense things which you would never be able to sense normally, but also in a way which feels very natural and in a way which you can incorporate into your decision and situational awareness very naturally.